Next ayah is like 16. وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ. Starting with wow, shaping your lips round. وَإِذِ, the is going to be soft. وَإِذِ, and then there is a. So a in when a in is in second position, okay, so this symbol, so the sound of it goes on, okay, it does not break. Like we do not say وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْ, we say إِذِ ya, إِذِ إِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ. Okay, there it goes on in your like throat, you feel like this is moving, and it is not, there isn't any distortion in between. إِذِ اعْتَزَلْ إِذِ إِذِ وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ. And then there is z, which has vibration in it. Z, okay, with strength, like z. إذ اعتزلتموهم وما يعبدون إلا الله. Okay. Then hum, and again wa ma wa, shaping your lips round, and ma ya'buduna. So this word is easy. Again, you need to practice here as well. Ya, ya. يعبدون rather than يعبدون or يعبدون. يع يع يعبدون إلا الله فأووا. So illallah, I have make the lam of Allah's word heavy, because whenever before Allah's name comes fatha, before Allah's name comes the word ending with fatha, then we are going to make the lam of Allah's word heavy. We are going to say illallah, lallah, rather than illallah. Okay, we are going to say illallahu fa'wu ilal kahfi yanshur. Okay, again Hamza comes in second position, so we are going to make it a bit of jerk. فأووا إلى الكهف ينشر. So there is again mad here. We are going to make it for 4 counts. So we are going to say فأووا فأووا إلى الكهف ينشر لكم. So إلى الكهف. Okay, kaf and ha. So kah. Okay, kahfi, fi. Again, air is removed from the mouth when saying fa. إلى الكهف ينشر لكم ربكم. Again, there is a rule here that whenever after noon sakin or tanween comes any letter from 17 letters, from which sha is one of them, so we are going to hide the voice of noon like this. ينشر لكم ربكم من رحمته. And then again, there is raw. We are going to make it sound heavy like this. Sure, sure. Okay, rather than sure. Sure. Okay, sure, heavy. Sure lakum rabbukum min rahmatih. Then rabbu, ba, we are going to say ba with strength, rabbu, and making ra heavy as well. Rabbukum min rahmatih. Okay, so there again comes a rule which says that whenever memes after meme sakin comes meme, then we are going to make it one, make it sound like one, like this. Rabbukum mir rahmatih. Okay, so mir rahmatih. And then again, there is a rule which is called idgham without gunna, which says that whenever after noon sakin comes from anyone from 2 letters, which is lam or ra, then we are going to simply join meme with ra here. Okay, mir rahmati. Okay, ra again is going to be pur, is again going to be heavy. Rahmati. Okay, then there is ha. Okay, rahmatihi. Okay. رحمته ويهيئ. Wa. Again, shaping your lips round. Wa yuhayyi. Okay, so here comes Hamza, and we are going to make a jerk here when saying hayyi. So there is ha, then there is ya, and then there is Hamza. So we need to say ha, hayyi. So we are not going to make the ch sound here, or we are not going to make our teeth come closer. Rather, we are going to do something with the back part of our tongue when saying ya, hayyi, hayyi. Okay, then ending with Hamza. وَيُهَيِّئْ لَكُم مِّنْ أَمْرِكُم مِّرْفَقًا. Okay, so in lakum min amrikum, again, this is the same rule as this, which says that whenever meme sakin, when there is meme sakin and after that comes meme, then we are going to do like make them sound one, and this is also called idgham. Lakum min amrikum mirfaqa. Right, I should make you see this PDF as well, right? Okay, this PDF is provided in the group. All of the rules are written here, so you can check them out. Okay, later after the class. The one rule I was talking about is this: whenever after meme sakin comes letter meme, then we will merge the both sounds and make them sound like one, and this is called idgham of meme. Okay, like this: lakum min amrikum mirfaqa. So again this rule. Okay, and then ra is going to be light here. Okay, amrikum ri amrikum mir. Again ra is going to be light, mirfaqa qa. Okay,